Russia has evacuated its embassy in the Libyan capital of Tripoli after an armed mob tried to force its way into the compound. Security guards reportedly fired shots to disperse a group of about 60 people who had approached the embassy with guns and other weapons. Authorities say the attackers weren't believed to be linked to any specific militant group, but were likely angered after a Russian woman was accused of killing a Libyan Air Force pilot earlier in the week. Libya has seen a wave of lawlessness since the overthrow of longtime strongman Muammar Gaddafi in 2011. Militias and separatists have resisted efforts by the central government to restore order, carrying out attacks against military and state targets. Extremist factions have become a threat to foreign interests as well, with a car bomb destroying much of the French embassy over the summer, an attack that came less than a year after al-Qaeda-linked militants stormed the U.S. consulate in Benghazi, leaving the U.S. ambassador and 3 other diplomatic staff members dead.